Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the read loud option voice on your Microsoft Edge mobile browser. So if you just turn this on, it automatically start to read all the text on the screen. So you can just change the voice. There is a lot of voice for the read loud option on your Microsoft Edge mobile browser. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change a read aloud voice on our Microsoft Edge mobile. Here I'm just going to type as Microsoft. Okay, so I just search as Microsoft here. So I just need to make first turn off the read aloud voice to make this change. So just click on the stated option, just swipe up, and here you can find the option called read aloud. Click on this. Now it's started to read that text here.
News.
Okay, so we just need to change the voice, right? So here I just going to click on this icon on the top bottom. Now you can find an option called voice. Click on this. Here you can find all cartoon. You can have a category like cartoon, conversation, co-pilot, and gentle, and news, novel, like that. Or click on the for all. You can just click on this. You can just see, you can have a male voice or you can have a female voice. You just click it. Then you can just come back here and just play it.
Shopping.
Now you can see
images,
the voice has
videos,
been changed.
web.
Now you can see the voice has been changed. Click here, and you can just change the voice again. So here I'm just going to change the voice to a female voice.
Web, book.
So you can see
Short video.
how it's changed. You can just change the voice by clicking on this voice and click on the voice. There's a lot of voice here you can just easily use, and you can just change the voice of the read aloud on your Microsoft Edge mobile browser. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.